Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm playing Text Simulator. I just was playing this a little bit earlier while I was waiting for my other video to upload, and I'm just like, YOLO. Okay, you'll understand if you watched the last video. But I'm not going to buy a computer, and I have to do these quests, which I really don't want to do, but like, I'm being helpful. This never happened, but like, what else? Yeah, I'm never helpful, I'm just mean. Oh my gosh, I jump high. Oh my gosh, I want an emoji. I want smiley face emoji. One text. Oh my gosh, just spending all my monies. Oh. Well, I can do this one. So, LOL. No! Go away! Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh, I actually have an Android phone. That's why I'm on Team Droid. Hey. Here, okay, let me just press E. Oh my gosh, I didn't even press E on the keyboard. I'm stupid. Why is it hooked up to me? Where? Why don't you hold on a second? Oh my gosh. Sorry if this is too loud, you guys. Oh, you're joining? Then why did you join? Okay. Alright. Anyways, y'all. Let me try to get off. Oh my gosh. Let me just press E again. Why? What was the point of that? Oh, getting full battery? Oh, I don't care. Just shut up. Oh my gosh. I'm apparently part of a phone now. Gosh. Oh, I can sell my texts. Whoa, that's nice. I didn't know that. But sorry. Help, please fix it. Yeah, the tower's on the droid stage. You'll get some tape and then wait. Oh, fine. Eat, sleep, and text. Actually, that's my life. I'm not even joking. That's the sad part. Steve, you cost Robux. Are you stupid or something? It means you're overpriced. That's bad. Being overpriced is terrible. Alright. Wait. Porns? Oh my gosh. I'm very disturbed. Oh my gosh. Him. I'll just buy common. You know, because that's all I can afford, because I'm sluggish. Come on. Your farts, so shut up. Ew, orange. I hate orange. I hate orange. But I'll use it because I feel like it. And I'm lazy, so. Ew, I don't have Robux. No. I'm way better than you at this game. Says who? What game? This game. Oh, you're joining my team? Yeah. Oh. Way more texts than you. Oh, because I just sold my texts. No, in total. Oh, because I haven't been texting for a long time. And I just started playing this game today.
Well, that explains a lot. Like, way more than you think it does.
Cool. I don't remember asking, but alright. Was it this one? I don't know. No, it was not. Okay. I think it was phone. Yeah, probably phone. So, whoa. I got a fart. Steven, can I fart?
You can fart if you want to fart.
Thanks, bruh. Okay. It's gonna start smelling in a moment, so. Oh my gosh. Can you, like, shut up? Sorry, I'm not talking to you. So, guys, yeah. What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh my gosh. I suck at this game. Ugh. I'll just play it. Not a cave with stolen parts. Can I enter the cave with a cave with non-stolen parts? I got your back. Touch phone, purchase and equip.
50 million money? Never mind. I am nowhere close.
Did I spend money, actually?
I am so broke.
What kind of phone was that, anyways? E. Farts.
So can I go buy my tablet?
0010000. Oh, hack! I can hack. I hack.
Hey, I can't even buy a tablet.
Hey.
Why are tablets more expensive than phones?
I don't know. Sketchy alleyway. Mooney. I need Mooney then.
300,000 movies.
I need Mooney. Oh my gosh, where's the phones? Where do you purchase phones? I forgot. And I just purchased one. I don't even know anything anymore. I'm just so stupid. My gosh.
Where are you?
By the cell text. Ah. Thank you.
You buy phones? Look at me.
Where are you? I don't see you.
Don't turn.
Yes, I am dumb.
Turn.
I saw you. I'm leaving you.
Okay, you need to go over here.
Tablets? Oh.
Phones.
There. Alright.
What rank am I at? I am at an advanced rank, universal communication.
I didn't ask.
I'm
Yeah.
talking to you.
I never said you were, so shut up. My gosh.
Maybe we did.
No, I did not! Okay, I'll stop. Sorry. I'm only doing it for the fans, aka myself, because I'm my only fan. Yeah. Oh my gosh, 25. Oh my gosh, I'm not doing this.
Twice as much.
I'm hack. You suck.
Hacker Incorporated.
What's that?
It's a place where you sell text for twice as much.
Oh, I saw that. I can't go in because have you not noticed how much Mooney I have?
Hold a second. Yay, I got moonies.
Oof.
So now I can buy a new phone.
You got Moonies. I didn't get no Moonies. You're lucky. You know what? I'm actually gonna work on the quests to get more Mooney.
How did I even end up on Team Droid? I was on Team Apple.
I hate Apple.
We have an Apple computer.
Yeah, but like, Android actually has better video quality.
Frick is a swear word to Roblox?
Frick.
Frick.
Frickin' frick.
Alright, so I got the pony C.
Frickin'
C700.
chicken.
Frickin' chicken's pissing me off.
Wait, what?
What?
I heard something. It was very bad. Ow, my finger. Ow! My finger. Just help my finger. Ugh. Ooh, equipped? Since when? I got earbuds, baby. Or, my AirPods. Let me change my hair. Oh my gosh. Hashtag revealed. Okay. So, let me just, oh my, I honestly don't care. I need Jesus. Yes, I do. Anyways. Fart.
Why is this even here?
Whoa.
You can see how many ticks I have.
Okay, I'll just be my hot self. Okay? You wanna see something hot, Steven? Well, too bad. You're gonna see something.
I'm already seeing something hot.
Okay. I didn't expect that.
Did this go way further than just this?
Since when did I actually buy this? I'm not even joking. Oh, I don't have to buy this. Oh, I don't have money. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's just.
Never heard someone say "let" so many times in a row.
I don't care. Just shut up.
Why don't you shut up?
Okay. Should I end the video here, Steves?
Sure.
Okay, anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. And if you guys enjoyed this video, but hope you like this video, subscribe, and next to the subscribe button, click the bell button so you get post notifications whenever I post new videos. And bye bye.